Hello, welcome to the Trade Ideas Market Recap for Friday, July the 11th. My name is Barry Enerson. I'm the moderator of the trading room. This is the address to get into the room. Well, an awfully slow day for me today. Actually, I had other things I was having to do. For whatever reason, had more emails to answer than normal, so that kind of took a bit of my time. But I really wasn't seeing too much action regardless, except for one stock, which I'll talk about at the end. So I only did two trades, literally two trades. RAI came from the bounce play. You can see at 60, so I received the alert at 10:47, so right in this area here. So you can see why. Just as a refresher for people who don't know what my bounce play is, maybe I should just show you what I'm trying to do with it. Here's a summary. So this is what I'm looking for. A price between $1 and $100. The current volume has to be at least one, so it has to be at least trading normally. The volume has to be at least 500,000 shares. I want three candles down in a row. Stock has to be down at least 25 cents in the last 30 minutes, and the RSI no more than 25. So these last three obviously are leading into hopefully a situation where the stock is oversold. And here are my triggers, the 5-minute hammer and the new low. So having said that, you can see then that here is RAI and 661.42. So I got and you can see why. Here are the candles down in a row, and it had dropped at least 25 cents in the 30-minute period. So we watch it go down all the way down through here. 60.73 came back up, and I think it was the second time it got through. Maybe it wasn't. Let me just check here. What did this do? Yeah, no, it was the second time that it got through the whole number that I took the trade and got in the trade at 61.04. Actually said in the room that I was looking for at least 20 odd cents. I should have taken it for the first half anyway. I should have taken it. It got up to 61.28, but I didn't. And as it was coming down, I exited the trade for no gain. So that was that one. The next one, I'm actually still in this trade, and this is QCOM. A little bit late for me. The time was 12:45. I'm sorry, it's not so late. This is I forgot. I thought this was West Coast time. No, so 12:55. So right in this area here. Got the alert, but you can see what happened. It just consolidated actually quite nicely, which can make for a really nice bounce if it wants to. I mean, most of the bounce plays look more, they look more like RAI in that you get this almost V and boom, V boom, but QCOM it actually based a while, and so I noted in the room that it was basing, and when it broke through this base and on this candle right here, I took the trade at 79.37. Now it's not giving me that much. It's I'm up 9 cents so far. Still have 45 minutes left in the market, so I'll have to see what happens. But and I don't know, QCOM isn't that big a mover, but if the market had wanted to, maybe the SPY caught fire. This is the type of stock that could rise with the SPY over time, and so, I was looking for maybe 50 or 60 cents. But anyway, we'll have to see. Now the last one, but certainly not the least one. If you watched the video yesterday, you know that I had been following this Crumbs Bake Shop, CRMB, which is now on the pink sheets. And it, again, I don't understand why my chart isn't showing this, but it went from 3 cents, and I think it closed around 41 cents. And I actually, again, I don't know, I don't understand why I can't see this, but I actually got into CRMB at 42 cents just before the market closed, a little bit before. So it was after I did the video, and I got to thinking. I actually read the news on it, and I didn't really know why it had risen. Somebody said there was some investor that was going to try to rescue them. So I find out that it is this Marcus. I can't remember his last name, Leominus or something like that, but he's got something to do with sweet shops and this and that, and he's basically said I'll come in and invest and try to resurrect. So based on that, I thought I don't generally read the news, but I thought this was worth a shot. So far so good. And I understand that he is supposed to be on the Power, what was it called? Power, no, Power Noon or something like that at noon on Monday, being interviewed on, I guess, on television. So I'm going to hold it. I'm still going to hold it. I'm up. I have a few shares actually, so I'm up in a nice position. But this could really rock. I think we still have 45 minutes left. I think people are obviously trying to place their bets, and they place more bets ahead of whenever he's on Monday, and we'll have to see what happens. So that's it. Very, very quiet day for me, and hopefully Monday it gets a little more exciting, especially for me on this one. So let me just bring back the cover page. This is the address again to get into the room, and I hope to see you in the room on Monday. And everybody have a great weekend. Bye bye.